he just shared like something that I know. Like I run a news channel myself for like 2 years, and the problem with hiring a team for those kind of channels is, it can take up to 1 to 2 days sometimes to have the video
Yeah.
done by those, and then when you receive the video, the trend is already over.
Yeah,
So
that's
that's a
it.
dilemma that I have like consistently came across.
Yeah.
So I edit my videos myself. So that's kind of like the bad aspect of
Yeah.
viral stuff, at least, because I do like videos with celebrities and stuff like that. Things that are happening in Hollywood, basically. And, if I hire someone to do that on Fiverr, then the trend will already be over. So that's a dilemma for celebrity channels. But maybe that wasn't the case for you, Mitch.
Yeah, and the same issue for me. Like, obviously, I report on like races, but
All
after a
right.
few days, it's irrelevant at that point. So, like I say, same
Yeah.
issue as you. Whereas I could produce the video myself 2 or 3 hours, so I'd get in there pretty quick, like other channels. But then you see bigger channels that are managing to do it within like a few hours as well. But
Yeah.
yeah, it's
So
yeah.
the only way to fix this, especially when it's so like sports news related, you just need to have a team that you can rely on and that you have made very strict rules with in terms of, listen, guys, this fight or this race is on Sunday. I want you all to be present on Sunday or like live to be able to edit this video together. If you cannot do that, I will find someone else to do it. That's the only way you can like tackle this if you really want the video to be uploaded as quickly as possible, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Agreed.
And it's hard to find these people, but maybe if you have something like, let's say, you sort of mentioned it, like if it's about racing and that races on Sunday, try to find something that is someone that is also interested in this topic, and then they might be like, you watch it sort of like together, and then right after you watch it, you can like make this video together.